Hey guys, welcome to Espinoza Diesel. We have experience diagnosing, troubleshooting, and repairing diesel engines, hydraulic systems, electrical systems, anything you can think of that's on a semi-truck, that's on a off-road vehicle like a scraper like this. We have a team of mechanics that will go out to your location, diagnose and repair that issue right on the spot. We also have a department that focuses on preventative maintenance. So think of oil changes, think of fuel filters, anything like that, we've got you covered. If you're in the trucking industry, you're in the trades, you're in the construction industry, you know how important it is to keep your vehicles running. If your vehicle stops for an hour or a week, you know you're missing out on that business profit. That's where we come in. If you want to contact us, send us a message, call us. If it's an emergency, we'll send one of our technicians out to you and we'll get it done. Thank you for watching.